box called Do You Have Diarrhea? Ooh, I'm so excited to open this. Let's see what this is. It more looks like a cape for Purdue. See guys, look, a Purdue cape. I'm gonna put this to the side and see what else it is. The directions, always important. And we're gonna put it to the side, just like my cape. What's more fun than having a deck of cards with another deck of cards? Ooh, it comes with a big pack and a small pack. We're gonna set this to the side too, and see what else there is. Ooh, a top secret envelope for superheroes only. Let's have a sneak peek. Ooh, there's this card. It says, Dear superheroes, I'm a veteran and a teacher at Purdue University, but I'm going to give you a tiny sneak peek, just for a minute. And then we're going to put it to the side. Bye.